Hello everyone, this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I have this Profitec Pro 500 here. So for this machine I did a tune-up and a pump replacement. So here's that old pump. Just replace it with a brand new one, and then here's the old screen and gasket here in the group head. So you can see that's kind of clogged with coffee. I then backflushed the group head, deep cleaned the steam wand, descaled the boiler, soaked the portafilter in coffee cleaner, and just wiped down the whole machine. There was also a solid state relay here on the side that needed some thermal paste underneath, so it was causing some heating problems. So I removed that, applied the thermal paste underneath, and then reinstalled it. So now I'm just going to pull up the test shot just to show you that everything is working. And this is just our test coffee, so I haven't perfectly calibrated it to this machine. It's just to show you that the machine is working. As you can see, we're all the way at 10 bars here. I have this flow control completely open. And the shot's coming out a little bit slow, but it's okay. It's just to show you that the machine does work. So I'll just stop it there. So as you can see, we have that nice crema on top. There's our hot water. And our steam. Alright, that's about it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.